Hi, my name's Debbie from Crohn's Cooking and Me, and I'm a local food blogger who loves to promote Angus's local produce. Today I'm at Arbroath Harbour, which is one of your locations on the Arbroath Smokie Trail. We're going to head off to a local fishery to get some Arbroath Smokies. Let's go. So this is one of the local fisheries located in the Fit of the Tune. Let's go and get some smokies. So now we've got our smokies, let's head to Hospitalfield and see Chef Simon.
Hospitalfield is an artist's house. It's an historic house based in Arbroath. We're very happy this year and very proud to have launched a newly redesigned walled garden for visitors to come and enjoy. That's on the same side as a restored 19th century fernery, which is a really exquisite piece of architecture. And alongside that is our cafe, our garden cafe, which is a glazed building in which we are really proud to serve local food and drink produce.
Hi Simon.
Hi, how you doing?
I'm good, thank you. What dish are you going to prepare for us today?
So today we're going to keep it simple. There's a ton of stuff that you can do with the smoky. We make a pate with it, we put it in tarts, put it through pasta, but today we're just going to showcase the fish pretty much as it is. Okay, so we've pulled the tail off. Another tip is to take these out of the fridge about half an hour before you're going to prep them. Just lets the flesh loosen up a little bit, makes the filleting easier. So you'll notice there's already an incision down the fish most of the way, so if you continue that on, and as you'll see here, you see the spine. You need to put your thumbs on the spine and just gently push. And as you gently push, you'll feel the flesh coming away. And then pull the fish apart, your fingers at the bottom, and then this bone will come out as so, e presto. With some lemon and garlic butter, and to accompany that we've got some potato, celeriac and horseradish rosties we're going to make. Potatoes are from the end of the drive just here at Hope Organics, as is the chard, which is going to mix with some kale, and that's going to go on the plate as well.
Oh, that's so good. Thank you. Thank you.
Head over to visitangus.com/Arbroath Smokie Trail for trail map, recipe inspiration and lots more.